Guys, got the truck set up in preparation for hopefully a very cool Safelite employee coming out of the farm today to replace the windshields in the trucks. Larry and Clifford have both had broken windshields since I got them, so I figured we'd schedule a tech out here to replace both at the same time. Now, I am a little bit worried because they didn't ask and I didn't tell that both of these trucks are lifted. I'm assuming they do lifted trucks all the time and it's not going to be any big deal. I'm just hoping it's not something that they can't do on a service call and I'll have to bring it into their facility to accommodate for the extra height. But we're going to find out in this video. Let's check out our cracks real quick. Wow, that sounded terrible. He'll be here in about an hour, and fingers crossed, we don't have any big issues.
I feel like just for the sticker bomb culture, we have to peel this off so that it doesn't just get tossed with the windshield. Yes, the whole thing came off.
I appreciate it. Look, these are nice. Jeremy, nice to meet you. Got a little storm rolling in. Got to relocate.
Catching back up with y'all a few hours later. Y'all saw him get the windshield knocked out in Larry, and then right before he started on the Duramax, that storm rolled in. He actually ran over to another client's house for the past couple hours and fixed the windshield in a Corvette that they had inside coverage with. And now he is headed back here to fix the Duramax windshield. right, guys, well, now you know Safelite Auto Repair is the go-to for your lifted trucks. Did not even bat an eye. They got that really cool contraption they stick on the side and then swing that sucker over and slam it in place, and you're freaking good to go. Jeremy was awesome, did super good, I think, and was super friendly, so definitely give him a 10 out of 10 on the review. But yeah, I'm stoked, dude. They look so freaking clear too. Obviously, it being overcast, it looks like it's just freaking smacked, reflecting like crazy. Which, what do we want to do for tint? We're going full windshield. Do we really want to test our luck? We're going with the brow, deep brow. Do we want to do top and bottom brow? What do we want to do? What do we want to do? Y'all comment down below and let me know what you think we should do. Obviously, it looks freaking incredible like this. If it was freaking full windshield, oh my gosh. But yeah, this was definitely not not the cheapest video to make. Larry was $400, and then this one was $320. Thankfully, Safelite only charged me for one service call, which is awesome, which was $50. So for $50, they'll come out to your place and replace your windshield wherever, or you can go to their store. Man, I really sound like I'm advertising. I honestly paid for this and have no affiliation, but it's been a good experience so far. So fingers crossed, hoping and praying. We don't have any leaks, no noises, nothing like that. Don't have to have them come back out and do anything with it. But as of right now, I'm happy. I am very happy. Larry went, I don't even know how many years with that cracked windshield. It needed one for so long. And he said both of the ones were aftermarket. They were not the original windshields that were on the truck. So yeah, kind of makes sense. Larry's has honestly got a pretty nasty looking tint strip already on it. It's kind of like the same curve that I normally get. It looks pretty freaking good. This one's the more like kind of foggy black coming down. I don't know why I'm showing y'all from the outside this. I'll show you from the inside. I mean, you can see it, but still. Oh my gosh. Sorry, Larry. It's pretty cool. Obviously, it's just a tint on the glass, like in the glass. But dude, oh my gosh, y'all see how freaking clear that is. It's never gonna be this clean ever again. That's why I'm filming it right now before it rains, because once it rains, the glass is never gonna be as good. This one, he said something about the previous installer. There's like alignment tabs or something at the bottom and they had broken them off or something. I don't know. That's why this one's got the tape, because he had to set it into place and the tape holds it and ensures that it sets properly. And he said in a couple hours, take it off and we'll be good to go. Wait 24 hours to pressure wash, or really to wash it in general. But then we're ready to roll, and we're ready to go get some tint on both of the trucks, because Larry deserves a retint because it's garbage on there. Hopefully y'all did enjoy. Comment down below. Check out some more videos in the playlist below, and I will see y'all in the next video.